Welcome to Cooking with Elastic, and in this session we're going to be going over Observability 101, but more importantly, how to process data and bring it in easily with streams.
Welcome back. Now that we've been parsing and routing on data, let's see if we can use AI to find anything that would be significant or something we might want to alert off of. So once you get the data in, you get it nice and clean and mapped, that's only half the battle. The other half of the battle is, what do you do with it? How do you make sense of it? How do you search it? And this is where with streams, we can see into the data and let AI help us ask those tough questions by just looking at the data as a whole. So go ahead and click logs.spark. Now we're going to do significant events. It says system detection, but we're going to say identify features. And once that's loaded, we're going to select that Spark instance. This says Spark cluster. That says Spark logs. That's fine. Hopefully, I love YouTube, but not right now, early. Add to stream. Now that that's in, we're going to identify the significant events. So we'll select that Spark cluster. It says Spark logs. That's fine. Generate suggestions. And now it'll take a few moments for all the suggestions to appear. And this might not be identical for what you see within here, but you can see that we're using AI to look at the message field or the body.txt, and then try and make some queries for us that we would want to look into. So they may not be identical to what you see in the screenshot or on my screen, but we're seeing our queries that are being created by AI by simply looking at the logs itself. So we've simply onboarded our logs, we've split them across. Now we're using AI to search our data to find areas in question. That's how easy of whenever those occurrences may be. So we can easily see some of those elements that are going on. But we'll just pick on one of these from right here. And now we have the query that's built in, came directly out, exactly from what we were looking for that specific error. What if we wanted to turn that into an alert? Simply click on the alerts on the top, create search threshold rule. It already includes our query. So go ahead and click next. We're not going to do any actions. So click next again, and we're going to give it a name. So instead of Elasticsearch query rule, say significant event, create rule, save the rule. Now, once that's done and turned, we can come over here to our alerts. And drum roll, please. Hurrah! We have our significant event. So what do? We've onboarded data with AI. We've split it. Now we've searched it, and we've turned it into an alert. Pretty snazzy. I wonder what else has in store for us as we start searching through all this data. So if you're ready, go ahead and click next, and I will see you in the next assignment.